Beginning this edition with some breaking news coming in. While on one hand, Team Rhea is facing heat not just from the Enforcement Directorate but also the CBI now. On the other hand, they are now resorting to stunts to claim innocence of Rhea Chakraborty. They have now released private WhatsApp chats that they claim are between Sushant Singh Rajput and Rhea Chakraborty. These chats have now been accessed by Times Now. They talk about a possible rift between Sushant and his sister. However, there are several questions that remain unanswered. There are several anomalies that Times Now will decode here. For now, we're getting you the excerpts of what these WhatsApp messages hold. Swati Joshi, my colleague, now joins me for more on this. Swati, I believe you have those WhatsApp texts between Sushant Singh Rajput and Rhea Chakraborty as claimed by Team Rhea, of course.
Right, absolutely. So this time around, Team Rhea, have released exchange of messages between Sushant Singh Rajput and the actress. This is what the team is claiming, that these WhatsApp chats were exchanged between late actor Sushant Singh Rajput and Rhea Chakraborty. But before I take you through the content of the WhatsApp messages that were exchanged allegedly, we reached out to Rhea's team of lawyers and we did ask them some counter questions, and they clearly were not able to provide us with answers. As far as these chats are concerned, we wanted to know when is it that the messages were exchanged between Sushant Singh Rajput and Rhea Chakraborty. We were looking for a date, which month, what date were these messages exchanged? No answers to that question. Also, the context of what this conversation is was also not given to us by the team of lawyers of Rhea Chakraborty. Let's go across, to the messages that were exchanged, as is being claimed by Team Rhea, that Sushant Singh Rajput had forwarded these messages to Rhea Chakraborty. And we can also, look at the excerpts here, the important bit. So this is Sushant Singh Rajput's response after Rhea asks him how he's doing, and he says, "Not great. My sister is now manipulating Sid Bhai." We don't know who this Sid here is because there's no mention of who this guy is, whether a friend or a family member of Rhea Chakraborty or Sushant Singh Rajput. It just says Sid Bhai, playing a victim card, trying to divert this entire thing that you and I are letting go into me physically punishing her for the act. It is such a severe disappointment. And then, it also, moving on, it also goes on to say, and this is what Sushant Singh Rajput forwarded to his sister Priyanka as per this WhatsApp message, and then he informs Rhea Chakraborty of the message that he sent to his sister Priyanka. It says, "You do this after the shameful act, making this a cover-up to attract attention, playing a victim card to the most non-negotiable act of molestation." So the chat talks about molestation under alcohol. Well, my dear sister, there is our mother and there is God that my mother stood for, taught me things. But there is no mention of, what this entire conversation was. What was the context? What is the entire thing that Sushant Singh Rajput is talking about while taking his sister's name? Moving on to message number 2, it says, "I am worried about my sister." And then Rhea Chakraborty says, "You come anytime." He says, "Pure evil." Now, I believe this is what he is saying about his sister. "I am worried by my sister," and then he goes on to say, "Pure evil." Again, the context of the entire conversation here is missing. And then Rhea Chakraborty says, "Let's sort this out." He says, "Okay." She says, "I'll call her." I believe she's talking about calling Sushant's sister Priyanka. And then she says, "Wait, I'll come see you before I go." Another message, and now this is the entire message, entire text of what Sushant Singh Rajput sent his sister Priyanka. And we can continue from here, which says, "And you have committed a crime according to that." Committed a crime is the word used by Sushant Singh Rajput. He goes on to say, "If you're blinded by your ego, God bless you, because I am not afraid and I will continue doing what I have done till now in bringing out the necessary changes in the world." But what was he talking about? What is the entire thing that he is upset about? What has the sister done? Why are words like molestation, under the alcohol being used here? These details were not provided by Team Rhea. And there is this another message. Remember, in this particular message, Sushant Singh Rajput says, he mentions Sid Bhai's name, and then there is a message that he may have sent to Sid, which has been forwarded to Rhea, which says, this is very important, "She has hit you in front of my eyes, and that was right. And here, after committing a crime where the girl, here my sister." Now, it is difficult to really accept or agree with the text here, because why would Sushant Singh Rajput not directly say my sister? Why would he say where the girl and then in brackets put here my sister has done. And this is, you know, this is the bit that was sent to Siddharth. So something is not adding up, definitely. These messages
several
were
things not
forwarded
adding
to
up there,
Rhea.
Swati. There's several questions that remain unanswered, several anomalies as well. We do not know the context. We do not know the time, the date reference of when this was sent. Also, Team Rhea claims that this is a chat between Sushant Singh Rajput and Rhea Chakraborty. Is there a way of corroborating that fact or no? That is also is a big question mark at the moment. Swati, stay with me. We also have Siddhant, Priyank, Bhavtosh, Kajal and Mohammad Wajiullah joining us on this broadcast. Kajal, this is a new twist coming into this entire matter. New texts that Team Rhea claims are text messages, conversations between Rhea Chakraborty and Sushant Singh Rajput. They have released these text messages as proof of her innocence and more involvement of the family in really what exactly happened.
Well, yes, this is getting murkier and murkier because every day there is one sort of exchange between someone or the other that is being released by both teams, and it's getting very difficult to sift through what is propaganda and what is actually something that happened. In this particular case, as all of you rightly pointed out, the dates are missing. We do not know what exactly was the entire context of it, and who are some of the other people that are being referred to in this. So all of these questions remain, and no one really wants to come forward clarifying about this, and it really seems to be a family saga gone wrong that is going on playing out on the national arena right now.
Right.
At least that is what both sides seem to be making it out to be, whereas still there are larger questions that need to be answered with respect to the investigation, with respect to what exactly happened.
Absolutely. What exactly happened? What transpired between the couple, which is Sushant Singh Rajput and Rhea Chakraborty? What transpired between the two families? We do not know. There are several questions that remain unanswered. And the selective leak, some would say, of these WhatsApp messages. We also did see Team Rhea yesterday releasing a gratitude diary, which was in possession of Rhea Chakraborty. Also a flask that was in possession of Rhea Chakraborty but belonged to the late actor. We've seen this team of lawyers, the team Rhea now putting out these defenses. But Times Now is here asking questions that need to be answered. Unfortunately, we have not heard from Team Rhea despite getting in touch with them, seeking clarification on these particular matters. Siddhant is also with us. Now, Siddhant, there is no real guarantee that these chats belong to these two. You know, there is no clarification as such. We did talk about how there is no date reference on this. There is no context to these particular conversations. There is also no guarantee that these are chats between these two particular people. In the day and age that we live, it's not very hard, to use means to tamper with such an evidence.
Well, absolutely right. These are surely leaks that we have also managed to access and play for our viewers. Now, the point here is that these chats don't have dates on them. Second, in what context this conversation was going on. And the third, the biggest allegation on Rhea camp is that they are leaking personal chats of a person who is no more. Now, and that too discussing a family issue on a chat, allegedly. So this is just to protect Rhea Chakraborty and her camp, because they feel that the media is maligning their image. They don't have anything to do with Sushant's death. And according to them, they were very cordial. Rhea and Sushant, they were cordial. They were doing good. But the fact remains, the CDR that we have access, there were no calls from Rhea to Sushant the day she left the home. Not just that, there are several other testimonies and statements with Times Now which suggest that everything was really not going well in the last, and there were a lot of issues. Family alleges that when Sushant was with his family in the month of January, Rhea used to call her, pressurize her to come back. So all these things were happening, and these things are on record, not just with Bihar police, but with Mumbai police also.
Right.
Now, question is for Mumbai police why this angle was not probed. At the same time, now CBI is looking into this particular angle, but these are surely leaks, and it's hard to believe what is right and what was exactly going on, at least through these leaks.
Absolutely. Who's right? Both the teams are, of course, releasing certain information, putting it out there in public domain. It is for, of course, for people to decide what exactly is happening. But Priyank, it is also for the investigating agency to decide whether or not this is plausible evidence, isn't it? Because we've seen Team Rhea release several such what they claim is evidence of her innocence, and the fact that the claims made by Sushant's family must not be taken at face value.
Yeah, certainly, Poonam, because now the agencies will have to look into this aspect also, because they are probing a case of attempted suicide, which means that what was the relationship in between the two families, whether Rhea Chakraborty was totally pressurizing Sushant Singh Rajput, and these are the several factors for which the CBI will have to work on. On the other side, Mumbai Police, as we know, was already working on the preconceived notion that there is no foul play behind the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, but these kind of chats emerging is certainly raising doubt on the relationship in between Rhea, Sushant's family member, and Sushant himself. This allegation, molestation allegation, first came out from the lawyer of Sushant Singh Rajput, who gave an interview to a tabloid here in Mumbai, where he said that there was a fight which happened in between Sushant and Rhea because of the allegation which Rhea had put in on the sister of Sushant Singh Rajput after they spent one evening together in a party which happened in Mumbai. Later to that, there was a rift which was attempted to be created by Rhea Chakraborty in between Sushant Singh Rajput and his family member, which was also visible, Poonam, if you look at the FD, the FD deposit, which was expected to be around 2.43 CR, was not deposited in the name of the account of Sushant's sister. So what the Sushant's family side has been saying, that this was done, this molestation drama was done deliberately by Rhea to take Sushant's sisters away from him, because some amount of money, a huge amount of money I would say, from Sushant's account was on an annual basis was transferred to the bank account of Sushant's sister. So all this drama, which I can see as per now, was created by Rhea Chakraborty to take Sushant's sister away from his life, so that if they go, the money would not be transferred. And if you look at minutely the spending pattern of Sushant's account, initially the money which was going into the account of Sushant's sister in the name of FD, or they were the nominees of the account, was gradually shifted to the bank account of Rhea Chakraborty and the companies which were in name of Rhea, her brother and her father. So if it's very simple to realize, Poonam, what was happening. To create a rift, transfer the amount which was supposed to be given to the sister to the bank account of Rhea Chakraborty and his family member was a clear-cut strategy which was opted then. This is according to the family members.